warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, allow me introduce myself. My name is Febriyanti, I'm from class B. Today, I would like to present about pharmaceutical company. Before starting this activity, let's say Bismillahirrahmanirrahim to make this activity success. And I say thank you very much to Ms. Tri who has given this task. With this, I can take the lesson she has explained. So, let's watch. Pharmaceutical company is a commercial business licensed to research, develop, market, and distribute drugs, most commonly in the context of healthcare, such as examples of traditional medicine that is highly trusted by the community, especially in the lower middle class. He said traditional medicine is more natural and has clear results than chemicals, but not a few else prefer drugs that contain chemicals because their effectiveness has been tested clinically and preclinically. They can deal in generic and brand medications. They are subject to a variety of laws and regulations regarding the patenting, testing, and marketing of drugs, particularly prescription drugs, especially in the the COVID-19 pandemic of the Indonesian. Pharmaceutical industry is accepted to trigger it to be able to compete in developing drug research from its beginnings at the start of the 19th century. The pharmaceutical industry is not one of the most profitable and influential in existence, acquiring praise and controversy. Drug discovery is the process by which drugs are discovered and are designed. In the past, most drugs have been discovered either by identifying the active ingredient from traditional remedies or by serendipitous discovery. A newer approach has been to understand how disease and infection are controlled at the molecular and physiology level, and to target specific entities based on this knowledge. New technology and data management or informatics systems are now employed to speed up this process. Drug development is considered a costly and intensive process. Over the past decade, the global pharmaceutical sector has experienced very big changes. Expression of patent of some blockbuster drug have implication for companies' traditional research and development or R&D in developed countries to improve, revisit its business model and adapt to change there is. One of the important things behind this change come from conditions in less developed countries or less developed country, because most of the population is still constrained as access to needed medicines. Nevertheless, in the last decade, this condition has mentioned its big profit from the provision of this drug. So, one of the important things behind this trend come from conditions in less developed countries because most of the population is still concentrated access to needed medicines. Nevertheless, in the last decade, this condition has mentioned its big profit from the provision of this drug. Okay, this is all for me. If here are any wrong words at my presentation, I say sorry about that. Thank you very much. Thank you for your attention. I'll say Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, that's all from the Assalamualaikum. Text me. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hai all.